mixed that well. And it's like vomit. Vomit? Look at it. Let's see.
Did you put this same thing in? I didn't put brown sugar.
I did.
Oh yeah, this is perfect amount of flour here. Taste.
Oh, gross.
It's good. Really good. I can actually taste the cinnamon I put in.
I think mine's really thick.
Can I add some brown sugar now?
Dad, if you put that in, we both put the same thing in.
Syrup.
Let's take a look at these creations.
Want to try it? They're good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's yours. Alright. Oh, Jack. Okay. That's great.
Ew, they're really easy.
Yeah, they really are.
Here's good.